How to check prepaid gift balance on Vanilla Gift. To check your prepaid gift balance on Vanilla Gift, you can either call the toll-free number 1-833-322-6760 or go to the official Vanilla balance checking page. You will need to enter your card's 16-digit number, expiration date, and CVV code to verify your balance. You can also use a digital wallet app, such as Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, or Google Pay, to scan your card and see your balance. If you're experiencing issues with your Vanilla Gift card balance, here are some steps you can take to address and potentially resolve the problem. 1. Check your balance online *. Visit the official website of the Vanilla Gift card issuer and log into your account or check the balance without logging in. Verify that the balance displayed online matches your expectations. 2. Review transaction history *. If the issuer provides a transaction history, review it to see if there are any unauthorized or unexpected transactions. This can help identify any issues with the card's usage. 3. Contact customer support *. Reach out to the customer support team of the Vanilla Gift card issuer. You can find the customer support contact information on the back of the card or on the issuer's website. Explain the issue and provide them with relevant details, such as the card number and any recent transactions. 4. Provide proof of purchase *. If you still have the receipt or proof of purchase for the Vanilla Gift card, have it ready when contacting customer support. This can help verify your ownership of the card and expedite the resolution process. 5. Check for fees *. Review the terms and conditions associated with your Vanilla Gift card, especially regarding any fees that may be deducted from the balance over time. Some gift cards have monthly maintenance fees or other charges that can impact the balance. 6. Verify activation *. Ensure that the Vanilla Gift card has been properly activated. If the card wasn't activated at the time of purchase, it may not have a usable balance. 7. Expiration date *. Check the expiration date on the Vanilla Gift card. If the card has expired, it may no longer be valid, and the balance might be inaccessible. 8. Inquire about restrictions *. Some gift cards have usage restrictions, such as limitations on online purchases or specific types of transactions. Check if there are any restrictions that might be affecting your ability to use the card. 9. Report lost or stolen card *. If your Vanilla Gift card is lost or stolen, report it to the issuer immediately. They may be able to assist you in blocking the card and potentially issuing a replacement. 10. File a dispute *. If there are unauthorized transactions on your Vanilla Gift card, inquire about the dispute process with the issuer. They may provide instructions on how to dispute transactions and investigate the issue. Always be cautious when sharing personal information and card details. Use official channels to contact customer support, and avoid responding to unsolicited messages or calls claiming to be from the card issuer. If there have been updates or changes to Vanilla Gift cards since my last knowledge update, consider checking the latest information from the issuer.